Welcome back to IK Car Reviews. Today, we're looking at something that honestly feels more like a glimpse into the future than just another vehicle.
Imagine cruising across America in a two-story luxury loft on wheels, with panoramic glass walls, a chef's kitchen, and even a spa-style bathroom. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Toyota just turned that dream into reality. Meet the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome, a rolling penthouse designed for the open road. And today on IK Car Reviews, we're diving deep into this engineering marvel to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Welcome back to IK Car Reviews, where we bring you the future of cars, SUVs, and motorhomes in a way that's simple, engaging, and easy to understand. Today's star is something bold, something no one expected from Toyota, the first ever double-decker motorhome. That's right, Toyota has officially stepped into the big leagues of luxury RVs with a futuristic two-level coach that aims to redefine mobile living. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore every corner of this machine, from its bold exterior design to its tech-packed interior, powerful performance, advanced safety systems, and of course, pricing. By the end, you'll know whether this massive motorhome is worth the investment or just an expensive dream. The first thing you notice is the sheer size. Standing tall, the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome commands presence like no other RV on the road. The lower deck looks familiar in width, but once parked, retractable side panels slide out to create an open-concept living space. Meanwhile, the upper deck is integrated with smooth aerodynamics, avoiding the bulky look of old-school double-decker buses. At night, vertical LED light bars illuminate the corners, giving the motorhome a futuristic glow. Lightweight composite materials reduce bulk and improve stability. Every curve, vent, and panel is carefully engineered to maximize both beauty and practicality. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize this isn't just an RV, it's a mobile penthouse. The lower deck feels like a modern apartment, with a spacious lounge for entertaining, a full chef's kitchen equipped with residential-grade appliances, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring teak flooring and a rainfall shower. The design blends Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian comfort, clean lines, natural wood textures, and calming ambient lighting. A central staircase leads to the upper deck, where luxury truly shines. A master suite stretches across half the level, complete with a king-size bed, wardrobes, and panoramic glass walls offering sunrise to sunset views. The rest of the floor includes a media lounge, guest quarters, and even convertible sleeping space. With touchscreen panels on both levels to control lighting, climate, and security, the entire interior feels less like an RV and more like a high-tech loft. Now, let's talk about power, because this giant isn't just a showpiece, it's got serious muscle under the hood. A 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 diesel engine pumps out 470 horsepower and a staggering 900 pound-feet of torque, paired with a reinforced 10-speed automatic transmission. That's enough power to handle steep inclines, long highway drives, and even tricky campsites. Toyota has added smart features like a rear steer system for tighter turns, air suspension with adjustable ride height for comfort and easier loading, and active braking with advanced weight distribution to keep the ride safe and smooth. Despite its massive size, this motorhome is surprisingly agile, combining the drivability of a touring coach with the luxury of a two-story condo. This is where Toyota flexes its innovation muscles. The cockpit features a wraparound OLED display showing navigation, 3D mapping, driver assistance, and real-time vehicle health. Voice control lets you manage lights, shades, and entertainment across both floors. The onboard OmniGrid solar system connects to a 30 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank with DC fast charging, meaning you can go fully off-grid. Other smart features include high-speed Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth mesh network, AI-based route planning that suggests scenic stops and nearby campgrounds, and smart sensors for automation throughout the cabin. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling smart home. Safety on a double-decker is no small task, and Toyota didn't cut corners. The motorhome comes with a reinforced high-strength steel frame, active roll stability, and gyroscopic tilt monitoring. Crosswind compensation keeps it steady on open highways. Plus, Toyota's full suite of driver assistance is here: adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot radar, and a 360-degree 4K bird's-eye camera system. For emergencies, there are dual-level evacuation routes, smoke and gas detection, fire-retardant materials, and even external satellite beacons. Whether you're parked in the desert or driving through storms, Toyota designed this rig to keep you and your family safe. Now let's get down to numbers. The base model starts around $475,000 with the V8 diesel, solar system, and air suspension included. A mid-level model pushes closer to $525,000, adding upgraded interiors and entertainment features. And the fully loaded edition tops out around $585,000 with extras like an AI travel suite, retractable rooftop deck, and satellite navigation. Yes, it's expensive, but when compared to European double-decker conversions and luxury Class A coaches, the Toyota comes across as surprisingly competitive. Plus, Toyota offers factory-built packages, so you avoid the risks of aftermarket customization. Insurance, taxes, and maintenance will be higher, but Toyota's nationwide dealer support helps reduce long-term headaches. And thanks to limited production, resale value is expected to remain strong.
So let's weigh the highlights and drawbacks. The highlights: stunning futuristic design, a spacious two-story interior with luxury amenities, a powerful V8 with smooth drivability, cutting-edge technology with smart home features, strong safety systems, and Toyota's trusted reliability. The drawbacks: a very high starting price, significant fuel costs even with solar offsets, and the sheer size, which may still limit access in some city areas. So, is the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome worth it? If you're someone dreaming of long-term road travel, off-grid adventures, or simply want the ultimate statement of luxury on wheels, this vehicle is a game changer. It blends comfort, innovation, and Toyota's reliability in a way that truly redefines what a motorhome can be. But for casual RV owners, the price and size may be overkill. This is a rig built for serious travelers, digital nomads, or even high-end rental fleets, not just weekend camping trips. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome. What do you think? Is this rolling penthouse your dream machine, or would you stick to a smaller RV? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to IK Car Reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss our next feature on the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. Until next time, drive free, dream big, and keep your wheels on the road to possibility.